Good morning. This is Dee from the Fish and Gardeners, and we're going to talk today a little bit about miracle fruit. So, a miracle fruit tree is a tree that produces these type of fruits. They turn red. It's a whole lot of them. And what these fruits do is it tricks your tongue receptors into thinking something like this right here. This is a red lime. That's what that is. So you know limes and lemons are sour. So this fruit, when you eat this and squish it around in your tongue for about 20-30 seconds, will make this taste sweet like fruit punch. It also helps people who had to go through chemotherapy because they lose their taste buds, or even, the big C. So when you lose your taste buds, this fruit right here, this berry, miracle fruit berry, will trick your tongue into thinking anything that is tangy, turn it to sweet. So even if you eat like a pineapple, pineapples are sweet, and if you take one of these little berries and eat them, it'll make that pineapple even sweeter, like you're just eating sugar. So that's what the miracle fruit tree, the miracle berry, does. And I have 3 of them. So this one right here is the first one I had, and it's actually a dwarf one. And I've had it for, I'm actually going to, I think 3 or 4 years. I'm not quite sure. So, and here goes some of my fruits down here dropping. But yes, so you wait for them to turn red. And that one just dropped down. And you go ahead and take them in. I actually freeze mine so they could stay longer. So once you get them off the tree, they last about 2 days on the counter. So you have to eat them quickly. So I actually freeze mine. So I have 3 trees, and all 3 of these trees are producing constantly. And they do pretty well, for the cold, because I really don't protect them. Look at that sorrow here. I'm out here recording while it's raining. So yes, that's what the miracle fruit tree does. It really helps a lot of people. And believe it or not, on Facebook in some areas, for that one little berry, they charge $1.50 or $2 for that one berry. So that's what miracle fruit trees are. And these are my 3 beautiful miracle fruit trees. 2 of them are in 27-gallon containers, and the small one is in an 18-gallon container. They like partial shade, and they do not like a lot of water. They don't like a lot of water. Other than that, I don't do very much to them. So yeah, that's my miracle fruit trees, and that's what I was bringing to you today. So while we at it, let's go check this star fruit. See what it's doing. I've seen one of them on the ground right here. And yep, for the star fruit, doing its thing. So if you want a tree that produces constantly, there you go with that star fruit tree. And let's go ahead and take a last look at this soursop, because I hope it make it through the winter, but I don't know. It usually probably won't. But at least I get a chance to look at that. I'm going to go ahead and harvest them leaves before it gets too cold, because usually those leaves are very beneficial. Okay, so I'll just bring you a little bit of this video content. A reminder of my fruit tree garden, because yes, I am doing van camping, but my first love is the fruit tree garden. And I'm hoping that you have a blessed day. Goodbye.